In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Spacedesk in Windows 7 and whether or not it is possible to do this. If you visit the official Spacedesk website, you can download the driver for your main display that will be extended into other displays running the viewer software. However, when you visit the official website, you can see here that the driver only seems to be available officially for Windows 10 or Windows 11. I did a lot of research, and even though I could find some old videos of Spacedesk working on Windows 7, it seems like they have stopped supporting the OS altogether. So in short, it doesn't seem like you can do this officially in 2025. However, I still recommend that you visit the official website and you still try downloading the driver just to see if it works or if it gives you an error. So you will need to download the driver on your Windows 7 PC and then download the viewer on your additional displays that you will be extending the main display to. So for example, if you are using an iPad, you download it through the App Store. If you are using an Android tablet, you download it through the Play Store, and so on. Inside of the driver console, if you are able to open it, make sure that it is enabled and then choose the connection type. You can swap between network, so using a Wi-Fi connection, or your USB cable. If you choose local area network, all devices connected together must be on the same Wi-Fi network. And if you choose USB cable, all that you need is to plug them together with a physical USB connection. So you download the viewer on your additional devices, and then you choose to connect it here to the primary PC. In this case, the Windows 7 one, if the tool functions. But like I said before, because I cannot guarantee that this tool will function in 2025 on Windows 7 PCs, sadly, this is still inconclusive. I highly suggest that you still try downloading and you share your experience in the comment section below. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.